how to delete XAMPP completely. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete or remove or uninstall XAMPP or xampp from your PC completely. Now, the process itself is quite simple. Whether you want to uninstall or remove XAMPP or any other application on your PC, then I'll just show you the quicker way. First thing first, if you're on Windows 10, 11, what you can do is you can simply head into your Windows. At the bottom you can see Windows. You want to tap on it, the icon, and then you'll be to this page. Right now here what you want to do is at the search bar on the Windows here, you want to type in add or remove programs. Just simply type in add, and here you can see add or remove programs under control panel. So you want to simply tap on open, or you can get help as well. So simply tap on open, since I'm already showing you how you can do it. Once you do so, you'll be able to see your list of apps. Now if you have XAMPP, you can search it from the search bar at the top. Now in my case I don't have XAMPP, but I'll just be showing you another application here. Suppose you want to install XAMPP or any other application, you can simply tap on the three dots beside the application that you'll get at the right hand side. Suppose this is XAMPP, and here at the right hand side you'll get three dots option. Once you tap on it, you'll get advanced option and you'll see uninstall option. You can simply tap on uninstall, and you can see it'll ask you for confirmation. Again tap on uninstall, then the uninstalling setup will open it up and you'll be able to uninstall it and remove it completely from your PC as well. So this way you can uninstall XAMPP or any other file or application on your Windows. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.